What is going on, everybody? Back with a new video, and in today's video we'll be taking a closer look at the best cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max from TAC, so stick around. Welcome back, and first off we have two screen protectors for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which I will be making a dedicated separate video on the best screen protectors. And I'll have numerous brands in there, so be sure to look out for that video. So our first case up is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Arctic Frost. Now the company TAC's known for making some extremely thin cases, so let's go ahead and place our iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver inside of the case and check out how it looks. And as you can see, the iPhone 17 Pro Max installs in seconds. Now after installing the case and upon closer inspection, I have to say that I really like the frost look. And we got precise cutouts for the camera system, as well as the USB Type-C charging port. Our volume up and down buttons are protected, and so is our action button. Again, I have to say I really like the look of it, and the case is wireless charge compatible. I think I'm going to go ahead and keep this case on for a while. It looks great with the silver color. Next up, we have the granite color for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which once I put it on here, I imagine is going to look a little bit darker than that Arctic Frost color. Yep, exactly. As you can see, it does look a little bit darker, which is going to look awesome as well. After removing the product tags from the case, let's go ahead and install the iPhone 17 Pro Max into the case, starting off with the left side followed by the right. And yeah, this one looks really nice. I have to say the Arctic white probably looks a little bit better. It looks like it's actually like a frozen look, but this one has an excellent look as well. I can see myself switching off between the two colors on a daily basis. And this case is wireless charge compatible as well. Now, if you're looking for very minimalistic protection for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, then I highly recommend these cases to everyone out there. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all links will be available in the video description. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.